everybody, Smoott here. Today I'm going to do a little bit of broccoli and cauliflower. I'm going to throw it in some tin foil, throw it on the barbecue, and I'm going to make a little bit of a cream sauce and dump over top of it, and I'm going to eat it. So yeah, I just make sure these cameras are working. That one's working too. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of tin foil here, and I'm going to throw a bit of cauliflower and a bit of broccoli in there and throw it on the barbecue just to kind of cook it. Well, you know, that's what you do, right? I'm going to throw just a little bit of broccolis on there. No, I'm going to chop some of this up a little bit more so that it's a little easier to work with. Get some of the big chunks out. All kind of little bite-sized units now. Something like that. There we go. Throw them in there. Throw the powder. Not bad. A little bit of cauliflower. There, and do the same with it, just chop it up a little bit. Smaller. Should have had bigger tin foil. Oh well, we'll make her work. And then, as you know, the way I am, I like to put garlic. I have a bowl of chopped garlic, so I'm going to throw a bit of chopped garlic. I'm going to throw a bit in there. Garlic is a good thing, so we'll put a little more in there. What do you think? Yeah, let's put some more. There, lots of garlic in there. No, excuse me. And I'm just going to throw a little bit of salt. And a little bit of fresh ground pepper. Something like that. Throw a little bit of butter in there. Now I use real butter because, well, margarine is gross. So, just letting you know that. So yeah, I'm just going to chop off a big old chunk of butter there. Chop her into a couple of pieces, such like that. Boom, boom, boom. Stick this out of the way. Now we'll just kind of wrap it up. No, excuse me. I don't know why I got the cough today. I should have bought bigger tin foil, but I should have bought tin foil. But all I got's that little narrow roll left, and I had to get it out of the camper because I wasn't going to make a special trip to town just for tin foil. If you know what I mean. Let's wrap this up. Nice and snug. There. Just like that. So now I'm going to go throw that on the barbecue. Got that on the barbecue. Now I'm going to make the sauce that I'm going to put on there. Now that's pretty simple too. I'm just going to turn the oven on about not quite medium. I don't want it too hot. I'm just going to use some, this is whipping cream. It says heavy cream, but this is all I could get at the store down here at the corner. So I'm just going to throw that jug in there. Slop it all over the place because, hey, what the hell? It's what we do here. Bring that up to, we don't want to quite boil it, just want to get it nice and hot. And while it's coming along, or while it's warming up, I want to throw also a little bit of sour cream in with it. Try to not have too many names showing, because apparently YouTube's got a thing about product placement or whatever. Well, whatever. So now I'm just going to throw a couple of good scoops of sour cream in there, because, well, I'm a different duck, as you know. Now put that there. Now this recipe also calls for a little bit of cream cheese. So I'm going to dig that out. This little bucket, if I can ever get into it. Now I'm using light cream cheese, just because it was on sale at the store. I'm not really a light type of person. I'm going to use about half one of them tubs. It's I don't know how big it is. They call for 2 ounces. Well, I'm going probably closer to 4. But okay. Oh, oops. Dropping shit here too. Okay, well, now I think I'm done with that spoon, so I'm going to lick it up. There it is. Okay, I'm going to let that warm up, cook up a little bit, and go check my messages. I'll probably get called to work now that I get started here. But anyway. Woohoo, got it going. Anyways, okay, threw a little bit of butter in there too. It's starting to get nice and warm. Like I said, I don't really want to boil it, because then you risk scorching it. And that's never a good thing. So it's just about the temperature. I'll throw just a little bit of salt in there, about that much, and we're going to put the pepper right there. Smash a whole bunch of fresh cracked pepper in there. Should do it. It's starting to almost bubble. I don't want it to bubble. So, well, you know, if it does start to boil a little bit, it's nothing serious. Okay, now that's nice and hot. Just grab your cheese. What I'm using is a sharp cheddar cheese. Just grated it up. Just gonna throw that in there. Oh, make a mess. It's all good. And just going to stir that in there. It should melt up nice. Oh yeah. Get in there, little pepper. Oh, it's starting to melt up just beautiful. Yism. The cheese is melting in there, making a nice old cheese sauce. Once my broccoli and cauliflower's out, I will bring it out, slop a little bit of this on there, and have myself some din-dins. I'm trying to watch my weight. Not that you'd actually notice it, but I'm trying to lose weight. I've been on more of a keto diet. Now you're all going to say, oh yeah, heavy cream and cheese, and well, it's not the calories that you got to worry about so much, it's the carbohydrates. And in all this, the cream cheese had 1 gram of carbs per, well, I guess it'd been 2 grams in what I put in there. The heavy cream or whipped cream had 0 carbs. What else did I get in there? Sour cream, it had a little 1 gram of carbs. And the cheese, well, it's got 1 gram carbs per 3 centimeter cubed. So I got about 4 carbs in there, maybe 5 carbs into this. Now, as you know, the vegetables are good for you. Garlic is a healthy whatever for you too. So yeah. And as a lot of you know, I like garlic, and I'll tell you this, and I will always say this: you can never use too much garlic. Alrighty, that's just about done there, I think. I'll just grab my spoon. You know, because some of you purists will be out there going, "Oh my God, fresh spoon." I want to see how this is tasting. Oh, that is so good. It's lacking just a touch of something. I'm not sure what it was lacking. A little bit of salt. Just a touch more salt, I think. I'm not going to use a whole bunch, because it was so close. That smells so good too. Let's see how that turned out. Oh, nailed it. So yeah, that's how easy it was to do that sauce. You've seen how easy it was to put the broccoli and cauliflower into tin foil. Took me all of about, with prep and everything, probably 20 minutes, half an hour. It's going to take longer for the veggies to cook on the barbecue, but that is what it is, right? Nice, easy, keto friendly cheese sauce on broccoli and cauliflower. Alrighty, I just grabbed that off the barbecue. Oh, still warm. Nice and hot, hot, hot. Ouch, ow, ow, ow. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Smell of that garlic and all. It's just so wonderful. Now, dump that right out there. Get rid of the tin foil. Should save that for scrap aluminum. But we're not going to do that today. And I'm just trying to find a damn spoon. There we go. And we'll take some of our nice cheese sauce that I just finished building. Just ooze it all over there. Oh, don't that just look good? All that garlic. Oh, that, like I said, I wish you could smell this. It just smells incredible. There you go. Now I'm just going to I just threw that on a plate because well, that's how I do it. Like normally you do that with like for a meal of some sort, right? But I didn't really plan on cooking anything else at the moment. Actually, I am cooking something else in a moment. I'm making some. I'm gonna fry up some homemade bacon, and I made some homemade bratwurst the other day. But them two are for a different video. I'm going to show you how I make them. I didn't actually film making the last ones, like a dummy. But this weekend coming up, I'm going into town. I got to buy some more ingredients, and I will buy all the stuff to make homemade bacon and homemade bratwurst. And I will do a video of the how-to on that. So anyways, I'm going to sit down and eat myself some broccoli and cauliflower with lots of garlic and homemade cheese sauce, and I hope you enjoyed that. I don't know. I'm just kind of getting back into this, so bear with me. I'm working on some, you know, intros and all that stuff too, so I'm working on it. Bear with me, people. Talk to you later. Smoott out.